In 2012, Carhart products started with a mission to divert auto collision plastics from the landfill. Today, with the support of our partners in the collision industry, we have recycled over 20 million pounds of collision replaced plastics, and with your help, we can do more. Collision collection is now available in your area. Carhart Products offers recycling solutions for every size collision repair facility. When you recycle with Carhart, we guarantee to reduce your waste expense. In fact, we'll even give you the first month free just to try our great recycling service. Collision industry, it's time to reduce waste and start recycling. Give Carhart a call today and get started on a recycling plan that's right-sized for your business.